Easy people to cut in place. Make sure you cut that end, that piece, before you get there though, because that'll break. So you just go right through like that. Whoosh. I marked that, I followed my level to get that line, or followed a straight edge. I cut that before I glued it into the DIYs because you can't get in with your grinder without cutting into that, so you've got to cut it first. Same as the other end, I've got that loose and it works out that it's good, but if I was cutting through there I would have cut that one against the wall first. But it's not super bad because I'm putting the skirting in. I'm putting a wooden skirting in, so if I would have cut into the wall, I would have covered with skirting. Always when you cut with water, it reduces chipping as well, which is something to remember, people. And I'll just chip that up. It's easy. See how the stairs are out? People don't notice it when it's carpeted, but when you've got tiles down, see how out of square the step is? But I'm going from there. 85mm is my width. That's 85mm, so I'll be hanging over and I just pack it out. Easy peasy. I'll come back to you on the next stage, so I'll take parts throughout the whole procedure of these stairs. See you soon. This is Chris O. Stay in tune and get into it.